The story of IKEA's founding. IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad in Sweden. Ingvar was only 17 years old when he started the company. He first sold small items like pens, wallets, and picture frames. Later, he had the idea to sell furniture that people could build at home. This made the furniture cheaper and easy to transport. IKEA's concept became very popular. People loved the affordable prices and the simple, modern designs. Today, IKEA is known worldwide and has stores in many countries. Ingvar Kamprad's smart idea of flat-pack furniture changed how people buy and use furniture. IKEA is now one of the most famous furniture brands in the world.